The distance from the sonar is now set to 15 centimeters. With the battery pack placed right in front of it. Also as a test, right now I'm not running on the AC adapter but on the battery pack. So let's see how this works out. If it works out anyway. Started the program. And there it goes. And it stops, turns completely, and it runs further. So the question is now, does this work as intended? And I think it does. It runs quite freely, not hindered by the AC adapter, and now it can't go further. So let's see how this actually should work out. So this time set up with again a distance of 15 centimeters, but now with a pen indicating the 5 centimeter distance. And let's see if that happens. Camera connected. I should change the algorithm so it displays the seconds as well. Then I won't duplicate all pictures, and I can see differences also. But for now it struggles to get the algorithm so far to actually start writing. Okay, let's start the algorithm again. And the algorithm is started again, and now it works. But as you can see, it doesn't stop exactly at 5 centimeters distance, but it does run. So that is, oops, let me show how it runs. And now it has a different trajectory. So I need to check the exact things. to try to get the exact timestamp taken into the date, I had to change quite a bit of code, because it is all both date and time are part of time, which I have to import. But then because I had sleep, which is part of time, in it, and I no longer say from time import sleep, I had to change all sleep instructions into time.sleep, which also means that now for the local time instruction, which is also part of time, I have to use time.localTime. And then I can't just use hour and minute and second, but I have to use tm underscore as a prefix. So with all that, I seriously hope that it is okay, and I'm going to try it and see what happens. So let's yeah, I've set up the robot again. Let's see if first if the code is actually doing with error. Would be very, very nice. And actually this isn't going to work. This takes time. So like I did off camera as well, I'll kill it using process, let's say 42. Can't kill, so I have to use 84. Let's see, that is the last one. No such process. Oh, no, no such process. Let's see which is. Looks like it's 1218. It's hard to tell right now. 1218. That is the one. So here I go into the code. Here I start it again. Now it should work. It does. And I have to get rid of this. And it does not append the code or the time anyway, so that is not good. So I end the program, and I have to find a way to do it, because here I append everything, so I have to do a little more research in order to get it working. After quite a bit of experimenting, I found out how to append the time. Following this way, which appends the year, months and the date, I append also the hour, minute and the second. Because it is an array, the day's date will become element 0, the hour will become element 1, minute will become element 2, and then of course second will become element 3. So those have to be added, which can be shown here. So we have 2016 May 1, 16 hours 43 minutes 19 seconds. So in this way I can do anything I like, if it cooperates, of course. So let's get a final experiment started. Let's first see if things, yeah, this is a bit cumbersome because it the connection went down. Okay. This will run it, and then I have somehow, yes I do, here, and I have to and here I forgot to add a bracket. So now it will be over. And that's it. And it stops for some reason. But anyway, as you can see here, they all get different timestamps, and that is the objective. So for now I will show the last thing on cam, and that should be it. So I'm going to stop this now. Prepare for the last thing. So with the date now fully incorporated into the program, I can test one final time for now and see how things work out. Hopefully the program will run smoothly. Which of course it didn't. So I had to cancel, and there you go. It ignored the distance, but it does turn. And it does run, but not as expected. But anyway, it does make pictures, so now I can distinguish anything I like. And I think with all these different pictures taken, and now it will go no further. So let's take a look at how the pictures look. So final time, I'm going to have a look at the pictures, and I do hope they are better than last time. And that I will have to check first, of course. And some are 0, some are not 0, and that is remarkable. So what time is it? 16:55. So I guess I will have to look at the latest pictures. Yeah, so let's take the gamble and look how they are. quite a number are copied. So let's take this one. Nice. Let's take the next one. This one 3, then 13.2. Now they don't overwrite, but these are very clear pictures of, and this one is 0. Let's see which else is good. 5340. And that one is good as well. So this shows that I can now have timestamps without any more overwriting of earlier pictures. I just have to improve somehow the algorithm, although I doubt that that is the case. It may be the flaky wireless connection, because that has aborted experimenting as well. And as you saw earlier, the distance was taken alright, and now it just didn't go fine. So whatever it may have been, there's still room for improvement, but timestamp adding is a big plus. So for now, thank you for watching, and to be continued.